The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, has a system in place to track individuals who are incarcerated, and this information is used to determine their tax obligations and potential refund eligibility. When someone is incarcerated, the IRS is typically notified through the Federal Bureau of Prisons or state and local correctional facilities. This information is then used to update the individual's tax account and determine their eligibility for certain tax credits and refunds. To understand how the IRS knows when someone is incarcerated, it's essential to know that correctional facilities are required to report inmate information to the Social Security Administration, which then shares this information with the IRS. The IRS uses this information to identify individuals who are incarcerated and may be eligible for certain tax benefits or subject to specific tax obligations. For example, individuals who are incarcerated may be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC, if they have earned income from a job prior to their incarceration. However, the IRS will only allow the EITC if the individual has a qualifying child or is a qualifying child themselves. Additionally, individuals who are incarcerated may be subject to tax on any income they earn while in prison, such as from a prison job or investments. It's crucial to note that the IRS will typically place a hold on any tax refund due to an incarcerated individual until their release date. This is to prevent potential fraud or misuse of the refund. Once the individual is released, they can contact the IRS to request their refund, and the IRS will verify their identity and release the refund accordingly. Best practices for individuals who are incarcerated and have tax obligations include keeping accurate records of their income and expenses, as well as notifying the IRS of any changes to their address or release date. This will help ensure that their tax account is up to date and that they receive any eligible tax credits or refunds. In conclusion, the IRS has a system in place to track individuals who are incarcerated and determine their tax obligations and eligibility for certain tax credits and refunds. By understanding how the IRS uses this information and following best practices, individuals who are incarcerated can ensure they receive the tax benefits they are eligible for and avoid any potential issues with their tax account.